Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, yeah, cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too. Just getting money all around the world, cause girls is players too. What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the ops. Took her for a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so I spend it on a watch. Hold on, little titty showing through the white tee. You can see the thong busting on my tight jeans. Okay, rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and in today's video we are featuring Gorgius Wigs. Big shout out to Gorgius Wigs for sponsoring today's video. So let's get right into this look. So today I have this gorgeous 5x5 HD lace wig. This is a lace closure 5x5, excellent lace. I have to point that out. So this is their Bohemian wave, and I have two different parts to this video because I installed this wig 2 times. The first time I did a braid across the front, but I didn't like the way the braid looked because my nails were super long and I couldn't get the braid to lay the way it should. So the second part of the video is going to be the reinstalled portion of the video. All the details will be down in the description box in case you are interested. Absolutely love the finish look of this wig. Very soft texture. It's not too tight of a curl, and it is loose enough just so that you still see the length. I would of course have preferred this wig to be longer, but for the length it was cute. Not really my style, but it was cute. But the highlight of this wig has to be the lace. The lace quality is excellent. You can wear this glueless or you could use a glue. That's how good the lace is. All the details will be down below. Shout out to Gorgius Wigs for sponsoring another video. If anyone has any questions, drop that down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Stop playing with them, Riot. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. And I just fell in love with a gangster, like, so he put my name in the top. But I don't let him come to the crib, so we get it on where we at. Nowadays I be ducking them cameras, and they hype that I'm up on them banners. Calling my phone, but they know I don't answer. In the hood, I'm like Princess Diana. I'm thick cause I be eating oats. Bitch not taking shit from me, but notes. Wanna be me, so she do my emotes and my name in her mouth, so I bet she gon' choke. Tell her, man, I'm the girl of his dreams. Think about me when he brushing his teeth. He keeps texting, I leave him on scene. Hottest bitch out, and they know what I mean. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Looking at me like who bigger than she. I'm the one who they wishing to be. Taking my time cause I don't wanna bathe. If you making a plate, then I already ate. I book a flight and go chill in Tulum. Turn her heads when I walk in the room. I know he want me, his bitch is a lame, and she making a year what I spend on the team. Making it rain, doing my thing, and I'm young, still getting money. My pockets is chubby, nothing was the same. Taking your boo, making it move. Like flexing on niggas, them bitches addicted. Feeling for me how they usually do. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass.
Cause girls is catch another fight. Apple bottom make him wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't know now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You could have anybody, any money, go. Cause when you a boss, you could do what you want.